Alex goes to Harvey Village. First day. Last weekend, I was invited to go on a trip with my friend Minsu's family to Habe village in Andong and the surrounding area. I was very excited since it was my first trip to the south of Korea. Habe village. We arrived at Habe village in the early afternoon. After we unpacked and took a rest, we went on a tour of the village. The village was full of traditional Korean houses. Minsu's mother explained that many of the houses were several hundred years old. I was very surprised since they did not look that old. After a short walk through the village, we went to see the Habe Mosque dance show. I couldn't understand what the show was about at all, but it was still fun to watch the dynamic movements of the dancers. I especially liked the masks, which looked funny and scary at the same time. After the show, I bought a little mask for my sister Sue. Fuyongdae. Our next stop was Fuyongdae. A cliff overlooking Hawaii village. The view of the village from Fuyongdae was beautiful, and I could see with my one eyes how the village got its name Hawaii. A small river went around the village. Second day. 주산지. The next morning, we traveled out of Hawaii village to the surrounding area. First, we went to a beautiful pond called 주산지. According to Minsu's father, the pond was made for farming in the Joseon dynasty인가? And has never dried up. I was most impressed with the trees growing out of the water in the middle of the pond. I couldn't understand how the trees could grow in the water. Yeongdeok. Our next stop was Yeongdeok, which is famous for long-legged crab. The crabs here are called daege because their legs look like bamboo. We had crab for lunch, and it was really delicious. It was the best crab I've ever eaten. We got back to Seoul very late at night. When I finally got home, everybody except Mom had already gone to bed. I gave Mom the box Minsu's father had given to me. When she opened it, she was surprised to see that it was full of crabs. What a thoughtful man. He wanted the rest of my family to taste them. Although this trip was short, I really enjoyed it. It was the best trip I've ever had in Korea.